Alright, Team Saucy, what are you cooking for us today?
Sabotaging?
I'm not sabotaging. I'm lending a helping hand. Look at the technique. You see the technique there?
Right. What is your worst dinner table experience?
Oh.
This will be.
Dan's false teeth fell out of her mouth while we were all eating. That is the worst dinner experience I've ever had.
What the?
No, she was just eating and her teeth just fell out.
Alright, guys, I've got 2 free hands. Do you need help with anything?
Can you take me?
Take this stew.
But if it's like wearing like...
So, okay, so Romario, you asked the girl out on a date. You said, let's go out.
No,
yeah?
if I asked her to go out, then I would pay if I'm asking you to go.
Alright.
If you said to me, let's go cinema, and you're expecting me to pay,
Yeah,
that's bad.
Now, the way concerned, right? You're in the kitchen, you're cooking, you drop the potato. Is that potato being washed and being used?
Yeah, I
100%.
rinsed it. I rinsed it and used it.
Yeah.
But having said that, I would feel more comfortable with a potato being dropped on the floor within 10 seconds than I would if it was there for an hour. If it was there for an hour,
Last week.
I wouldn't.
Okay.
I would.
What about you, Melissa? Are you 10 seconds in it?
It depends on what it is. If I'm cooking for people, I'm not going to put it back in the pot.
Yeah.
But if you drop your dinner off plate on the floor, you wouldn't.
Romario can tell you a story about dropping food on the floor, can't you?
Oh yeah. That's fine.
Lit. Team Lit, I think Romario's about to tell us a story.
Oh yeah, no, the food dropping thing. But yeah, mine was a bit mad. Like, I dropped, so my mum cooked risotto, and I don't really eat risotto, innit? I'm not really a fan of risotto, but you know it's like kind of slimy, saucy. Yeah. So I've warmed it up for lunch the next day, and then I've gone to take it back to where I was sitting on the sofa, and I've been like trying to hold my drink and all that, and it's just dropped all on the floor, innit? So I was like, bro, that's my only lunch, innit? So I can't lie, I just started eating it from the floor.
Oh my goodness! On the floor, on the sofa.
I'm gonna be real with you.
Try it and then I'll put it in the
Oh my god, 999 on the ready. Oh, we need emergency services.
No, wait. I mean, wait, what am I supposed to do with this? Okay, wait.
You gotta blow that shit.
Okay. Is actually
Give
okay.
it a sniff, give it a little sniff. That don't sound too promising.
No, that's actually, wait, I need another spoon.
Nah, it's good.
Is it right?
Good, bro. No, season my
see.
food, you
It
know.
doesn't just taste like seasoned water.
No, it's actually good.
It's good. Hey, I was only white because of my clothes.
I didn't expect
We
that.
had one
Right, let me try
Yeah.
some.
Give that another half an hour.
I did not expect
How's it
that.
tasting for salt, guys?
I do think you need to put the potatoes in it though.
It doesn't need any salt. I did not expect that at all.
No, you don't. You wouldn't. Because I'm a geezer. And now you know.
No, I thought he was
What's that?
Alright.
I'll leave that there.
Alright, can I get
You
three
can't
lot
put it in your
kind
mouth,
of area
then put it back in the thing. If you contaminate, I will slap you.
I didn't double dip.
Oh yeah, you like to say that.
Alright, here we go. Who's a double dipper?
I didn't double dip.
Lorraine's a double dipper?
I double dip sometimes.
You double dip sometimes.
for myself.
It's shocking, right, that you did that.
No, of course, but I can cook, mate.
Alright,
That's
the
what I'm saying.
flavours
I
are
make
quite
myself.
nice, I'm not gonna
I
lie.
make, mate, I can make all this.
Don't gas him because
They've
it's
been
going
sitting there for a while. Teresa,
Yeah?
these potatoes have been sitting there for a little while.
Yeah, what's happening?
Haven't they,
They're in
really?
water, so because they're in water, they won't go bad. Do you know what I'm saying?
No, I mean,
Why they're not gonna cook?
they're not going to cook either.
They might not get cooked till next
all
week.
good, man.
So
Okay, alright, here we go. What is the weirdest thing that you have ever eaten? What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
It's not very weird, but
Ross's stew.
I've eaten a few things in my
I'm
life.
joking. That stew's nice. I can't
Yeah,
even
it's
solve it.
quite
I actually can't
Ross,
even
what's the
solve
weirdest thing
it.
you've ever eaten?
No.
Oh Lord, let's keep it PG.
Yeah, man.
I mean,
Is that weird?
Who said? Who's?
He means sushi.
Just.
yeah, sushi. I said sushi.
Alright, I'm gonna be off your case. Let me start cussing Romario's chicken now.
Come in. Come and chat.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright, at least it's tender.
Your chicken looks good. I can't even cuss it. I want to taste it though.
Alright, release it.
Although
If
Romario's chicken looks like it's lacking something, I'm not sure what it is yet. Colour. That's it. It's lacking colour.
his chicken's like his colour.
Nah, it's fine. Yeah, your jaw will hurt.
It's got that, what's it? Whale stuff in it.
Can you try it too?
Whale fat.
Well, fat. You need a fatty piece of meat.
Back one more.
Yeah, no, I've made
Man,
I've
you
got
can't
that
even
before.
stab
It would be nice when it's all together, like with the pasta.
Yeah.
Should I get
What else is gonna be like
I
that?
got a trick
I don't
food.
want the whole
I got
chicken.
trick food, yeah?
You can't make that any softer.
Oh, that Ross, that's why I let you take the food.
We know you had no choice, but
I wasn't trying to take that, no.
Oh.
Banging in it.
That's
Oh.
what I'm saying. You're supposed to be head
Oh, that's
chef,
amazing.
Wait,
Sit out
yeah.
when you're
Oh, that's
What did
amazing.
you eat?
Love that reaction. Really good.
No, seriously, that is.
It did look good though.
No, I'm not even gonna lie.
Sensational.
They're banging.
It is sensational.
Nice.
Sensational.
What's that range?
Like, is there a perfect thing to do on the first
No,
date?
Yeah.
No, I don't think there's a
I
perfect
think there
thing.
is.
What is?
What's the perfect thing?
I think